Okay. Are you ready? Knock it down. Knock it down. Knock it down. Hurry. Knock it down. Good girl. Okay, you ready again? You ready again? Okay, let's do it again. Come on. Molly. Knock it down. Come on, knock it down. Knock it down. You can do it. Good girl. Good girl. Let's try one more time. One more time, okay? Let's try one more time. Okay, one more time, Tina. Okay, ready? Ready? Knock it down. Knock it down. Come on, you can knock it down. Knock it down. Yay, Molly. Okay, this time I have to do it without the treat. Okay, come here. Okay, Molly. You ready? Molly? Molly? Ready? Come here. Knock it down. Knock it down. Knock it down. Come on. Again. Try again. Knock it down. Good girl. That was perfect. There's my Molly. Molly is 1.2 pounds, aren't you? And you're about 8 weeks old.